Hey everyone, this is Dade here with MarineMax Oklahoma, and today I'm going to be giving a walkthrough of this 2026 Saxdor 400 GTO. Alright, so starting off, this Saxdor is powered by twin Mercury 400 V10s. And then over here you do have some starboard storage, and then on your port side you have a grill and a sink. And then you do have this large sun pad, you got cup holders on the side. This will actually fold back and move forward, and this whole thing will lay out to make an even bigger sun pad. This back seating over here will actually lift up, and you can press this button down here. And that gives you access to your aft cabin. I'll show you around down here real quick. You can actually remove one of the cushions up there and get a little bit more light down there too. All right, and now moving on into the cockpit, as you can see, plenty of seating options in here. Lots of space to get all your friends and family on board. This does have port and starboard terraces that fold out, give you a bunch of room in here. This center table right here can be folded out like this. And then you can actually lower this table all the way down, and then there's more storage underneath. Now, with the side terraces down, you can actually fold out the seating over here to give you more options, and you can fold this one out as well. And then over here on your port side, you do have a sink and electric cooktop, refrigerator, storage underneath over here. All right, and moving up to the helm, as you can see, you do have another refrigerator right there underneath the captain's chair. You got a dual SIM red display as well. And then making our way up to the bow up here. See, this one does come with a table, wraparound seating, plenty of cup holders, space to hang out while you're on the water. All right, and lastly, we taking a look at the cabin here. Plenty of space down here, a bunch of windows for some natural lighting. We got a little hideaway storage compartment right here. Does have a hanger up there. Now these stairs over here, they actually do fold up. Just like that, and then you've got another sleeping area down here. And then you've got your head compartment. Your sink there, a bunch of cabinets, plenty of space. So if you like this Saxdor or anything else you see in our online inventory, feel free to stop by MarineMax Oklahoma or give us a call today. Thanks.